You know what's better than waking up to an alarm clock? Waking up to sales notifications. Today, I'm going to show you how to make passive income using AI by creating 3 easy digital products. Even if your tech skills are somewhere between, "What's a Google Doc?" and "I clicked a button and broke the internet." Welcome back to Prompt Flow 2, the channel where we turn AI into your new side hustle partner. If you're into faceless YouTube, digital products, and automating income with AI, you're in the right place. Let's get into the 3 digital products anyone can make and sell. No design degree, no startup money, and no weird hustle bro energy required. Product 1 is Digital Planner. Step 1. Find a niche. Go to Etsy.com and search Digital Planner. Filter by best sellers. You'll see niches like fitness planners, wedding planners, ADHD daily planners. Yes, these are hot. Pick one that you can either relate to or find interesting. Let's go with 30-day productivity planner for busy moms. Step 2. Use Canva AI to generate content. Open Canva, then go to Docs, then go to Magic. Write prompt. Give me an outline for a 30-day productivity planner for moms who work from home. You'll get weekly goals, meal prep section, daily affirmation spots. Step 3. Design it. Go to templates, then search digital planner. Pick one with a soft, clean aesthetic. Customize it using drag and drop. Add daily pages with to-do lists and time blocks. Weekly review pages, a motivational quote, optional but cute. You got this, mama. Step 4. Export and package. Export as a high-quality PDF. Create a bonus version, fillable PDF using Canva Pro. Step 5. Sell on Etsy. Set up an Etsy seller account. Title: 30-day productivity planner for busy moms, digital download. Use ChatGPT to write your listing. Write an Etsy description for a digital planner for moms. Price: $5 to $8. Tag with keywords: digital planner, mom planner, productivity, printable PDF. Step 6. Collect payments. Etsy takes care of this. Every time someone buys, you get a ka-ching email. No shipping. Just sweet digital profit. Product 2. Instagram content template. Step 1. Pick a target audience. Who do you want to help? Real estate agents, beauty bloggers, fitness coaches. Let's say fitness coaches. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to generate content ideas. Prompt: give me 30 Instagram post ideas for fitness coaches. It might return motivational quotes, quick workouts, healthy meal tips, what I eat in a day. Post. Step 3. Design in Canva. Search Instagram post templates. Then filter by style: bold, clean, energetic. Use 5 to 6 layouts to create a bundle of 30 templates. Replace text with your post ideas. Bonus tip: make a matching set for stories and reels thumbnails. Step 4. Export. Save as PNG plus editable Canva link. Pro users can resell templates as editable links. Step 5. Package and sell. Use Gumroad or Etsy. On Gumroad, upload PNG previews. Include the Canva link. Add tags like Instagram for fitness, social media pack. Price: $12 to $25. Automated delivery after payment. Product 3. eBook or lead magnet generator. Step 1. Niche and topic. Let's say Beginner's Guide to Budgeting for Millennials. Head to Google Trends or Reddit or Personal Finance to verify demand. Step 2. Use ChatGPT. Prompt: write an outline for a 10-page ebook on budgeting for millennials. Then go section by section. Write a 300-word section on how to set up a zero-based budget. Refine tone. Make it witty, casual, and Gen Z friendly. Step 3. Format in Canva. Choose ebook, template, then import ChatGPT text. Add cover page, images, clean layout. Step 4. Export as PDF. Optional. Use Canva to create an animated preview or flipbook style sample. Step 5. Sell or use as lead magnet. Want passive income? Sell it on Gumroad for $5 to $15. Want to build an email list? Offer it for free on a landing page using ConvertKit or Beehive. Now you've got a planner, social media templates, mini ebook. Each of these can be created, sold, and scaled using AI, Canva, and a sprinkle of hustle. And remember, if you ever feel overwhelmed, just remember, somewhere out there, someone's making $3,000 a month selling spreadsheets for cat owners. You've got this. Like this tutorial? Smash that subscribe button for more faceless income ideas. Drop a comment and tell me which product you want to try first, or if you want me to walk you through setting up your Etsy shop next. Stay creative, stay caffeinated, and stay tuned, only here on Prompt Flow 2.